I bought this native plant. It's a native fern, Christmas fern, and it says it's good for shade, part to full shade. So I'm gonna put it right here. I've had some plants die over here before. I think they just didn't get enough sun. So I'm gonna try this one little plant, see if it works. I did used to have a plant over there where the big dog is, and then the mowers ran it over and it didn't come back so, in the spring. So we'll try this out. This is actually the location of an old garden that the owners before the previous owners had back in, I don't know, early 2000s or something. There's still remnants of it when we moved in. I have since planted this crepe myrtle, and then of course these trees have gotten bigger and we didn't have the fence there before, so yeah, the pine needles, gonna remove those. What you doing, bud? So these are the remnants of a Japanese banana tree that I planted a few years ago. Died back to the ground, and keeps coming back every year. So I'm gonna try to transplant it. All right, I just picked a zucchini yesterday, and look at that. It's pretty good size. put this up yesterday. I'm gonna put twine from the bottom. I saw it on YouTube. Twine from the bottom up to the top, and then connect these two to make more room for all the green beans. So far, they have not come out yet. Oops. The tomatoes are coming in. So for my little peppers, I'm not really, I guess that was kind of growing. I plan on buying more. Getting some hanging baskets off the side of the porch here, and then planting peppers. I did that a few years ago and it worked. Alright, so green beans should grow up here, hopefully. Oops. Ash, get out of the pumpkins. Come on. I know you like pumpkin. Don't eat my pumpkins.